Welcome. Welcome traders. Welcome to the live session from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So you see that there is another big day coming. So event coming tomorrow and today also we can see the market started to break out from the consolidation. We can see quite a few instruments currently breaking out of the consolidation. And if we look at euro dollar and Gbpusd, Gbpusd almost breaking that support level here. You look at here, GJ is this is a massive drop on GJ just in a single session, and that drop in fact bringing that price on Gbpusd to this liquidity zone here. And with that liquidity zone, expecting GJ to drop down to this daily 20 EMA. We'll be waiting for the price to drop in that area. And with the drop, what we can expect on GJ for the price, what I think that if the price is approaching this daily 20 EMA, we should be able to see some kind of movement. Guys, let me know if you are here so that I can start the full analysis on gold and GJ. Greeting, Kidso, thank you very much. Kensing, greetings, thank you. Coach, welcome. Welcome, thank you very much. Welcome to this live session. So we had a big day ahead, and today is Tuesday. Coming up Wednesday, a big day ahead, and we would like to see that the market is moving very aggressively. Let's see what kind of opportunity we have. Pele, welcome Pele. Welcome. Let's see which instrument is giving the best opportunity, as tomorrow coming up there will be a speech by if you look at the Forex calendar, then you will see exactly what's happening in the calendar. So if we look at the calendar here, we can see that there is a 9 a.m. coming up. FOMC member Walker speaks. So 9 a.m. in the morning, and then followed by tomorrow is dollar and CAD. So CAD is GDP, and then dollar coming final GDP, unemployment claims. So all of them coming together, followed by tomorrow in New York session is coming back-to-back 4 high-impact news. Will definitely make the market moves a lot. So we'll be waiting for the good one. Let me know, guys, how are you doing? Thank you. Good day, welcome. Welcome. I hope that everyone is here, guys. I would appreciate your support if you give a thumbs up. There was a big sell opportunity for Euro USD. Hi, coach. Okay, so Euro USD. Yeah, we see that there is some drop on Euro USD. Good afternoon. Yes, we'll be looking at that. We see that the market now currently in another breakdown, in a phase of another breakdown. Okay, so let's first of all look at the most one, the Gbpusd. At the moment I will be doing a complete multi-time frame analysis on Gbpusd. So this is the monthly price action on GJ. This is the monthly bullish engulfer, followed by another monthly bullish candle that has a long wick at the top, followed by we can see that another monthly candle on Gbpusd. So if we look at the overall picture in the market on GJ, with this huge monthly candle, and this is the monthly support level. What we can see that GBPJPY, after this big monthly move, the price is coming to this monthly support level, and dropping down to this monthly support will be a huge advantage for us, as this monthly support is quite important for us, and expecting GJ to retest the monthly support and then to bounce back up. Why? Because it's a long-term bull market. Always we need to look at the market that is going in the major flow. All right, so if you look at the historical perspective on GBPJPY, we can see that this market, from the historically, it's a bull market creating series of higher high and higher low, which is a long-term bull market. So in that long-term bullish market, expecting GBPJPY to retest and then to revert back towards the upside. Now if we look at the weekly chart, what we can see that there is a weekly bullish candle. This is the long bullish candle, followed by a healthy body here. So I want to draw this level of support here on GJ, and this is the resistance here, and this zone, this gap on GJ is quite significant. What I think that if the market managed to break below that level, especially, it is also possible for GJ to break this weekly low completely and then to retest this monthly support before bouncing up. That's where the high probability trade will come, as this market, you can see there's a weakless candle here on GJ. That weakless candle is a complete manipulation to the downside, expecting it to return back below this level and then to give us that entry opportunity. This is the 1 hour chart. We can see the market here had a complete breakdown. So looking at the 15-minute chart, we can see that this market from the 15 minutes approaching a daily 20 EMA, so which is a very important area of value. For me, any bounce back to the upside can give even an opportunity to find a selling opportunity here for short term. I've drawn the daily 20 EMA to see how the market is doing. So this is the daily 20 EMA, and if we look at this market from the bigger picture perspective, this is a resistance level here. Okay, so what we can see in this market here, so this is a resistance here on GJ, waiting for the price to bounce to this level, to this liquidity zone, and then to reject to the downside to create a new lower low. So we will be waiting for GBPJPY to bounce to that liquidity zone and then to return back towards the downside. There is a 10 and 20 EMA crossover on GBPJPY. So with that crossover, if the price is going up for a retest to this resistance level, this is the intraday resistance. So there is a resistance here, and we'll be waiting for the price to retest and then to return back in that direction. So this is what we will be waiting on GJ. As soon as we see the price has given us that opportunity, we'll be looking for entry in GBPJPY. Let's see how the price is doing based on that. And there is a daily 20 EMA, expecting for the price to come down and then to retest this level for bigger picture perspective on GJ. So this is a red move here on GBPJPY, and with this red move, it's a complete breakdown to this level. Any pullback to the upside, will be looking for entry in that direction. It's the sellers are very strong at the moment. Here you could see the price is moving back down to that level. So let's find out where is our next opportunity. I would appreciate your support to the channel, guys, if you give a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Hello Coach, thank you very much. Hello gold, yeah, thank you. Buy area gold, yeah, we will be looking at gold as well. We saw there was a local breakdown here. There was a move early today and then complete breakdown again. I will be looking at gold now at the moment. So let's see that on gold we have found the GJ where we will be looking to enter, and let's look at the gold now. So I'm looking at the daily chart on gold. As you can see now, daily chart on gold is, if we look at the daily chart, we can see that this is a completely bull market. Okay, so looking at the higher time frame is always beneficial. If you look at the higher time frame, you will see a clear direction in the market. So if we look at the daily chart on gold, we can see that from the daily, there is a daily 10 EMA. The price was respecting this 10 EMA, and in this 10 EMA, if we look at the price is respecting the 10 EMA and getting rejection. At the moment, the way gold market, the price action has formed, what I think that very highly likely we could see a strong liquidity grab from the support, because if I draw this trend line here on the daily, we can see that the price was respecting this support smoothly. So there is no daily candle yet has broken any of this low. So without breaking, it is less likely for gold to be able to break and to create a new higher high without breaking that zone, because as you know that the market moves based on liquidity. So it needs liquidity to bounce back to the upside. So if we look at the intraday time frame from the 4-hour perspective, if we look at here, this is a, you can see that this is a support level. If I redraw this level from the lower time frame from 4-hour perspective, okay, so what we can see that this is a support level here, support here, support here, support here from the intraday. And with all those support, what we can see with all those support on gold is if I redraw this level, so all those support we can expect for the gold to drop below this level. Breaking any of this low can give an opportunity for us to give us another long opportunity on gold. So if I look at the 15-minute chart here, we can see that the market forming also a triangular pattern here. If I draw this, you might be able to spot it on the 15-minute, and I think that before breaking out, we might see the price is maintaining this structure and breaking any of this side before creating a new higher high. Long-term movement on gold is bullish. As you know that, it's very well that it's a bullish market. The price has had a complete breakout and it's consolidating in that area. I think that before it managed to break out to the long-term direction, we could see that gold might try to break any of this low. As there's even coming tomorrow, we might see that gold is in fact giving a very suitable entry opportunity. So here is the price is in a consolidation. There is a local breakdown on the lower time frame. What we could see that if the price grabbed enough liquidity from this top, we can look for that potential breakout trade here on gold. At the moment, let's keep watching. As we have seen, there is a bounce. Want to see that the market managed to drop back again to that level before we go long. Good day, thank you very much. I'm thinking gold going to 20 22.21. What about your sir? Thank you very much. Please check GBP CAD for me. Yes, absolutely, we'll be looking at that. Yeah, we'll be looking at that on GBP CAD and all the instrument. Guys, let me know which one you are looking at. What we can see on GJ and gold. Okay, so here is so if I look at the lower time frame, what we can see, yeah, here is, you can say 4 hour, there was quite a few dodges here and the market has got a bounce. So it is in fact, from the price action and the structural perspective, it is a bull market. Okay, so you can see that it's a bullish market, and in that bull market we can wait for that price to come back down and then to give us that suitable entry opportunity. Okay, let's see what kind of opportunity we have here. Okay, now on gold, I will be waiting for a confirmation for entry on GBP/JPY as well. So you see, this is a daily liquidity zone. If the price is going up before retesting the daily 20 EMA, if the price is going up before it tests the daily 20 EMA for a deeper pullback, we can look for selling opportunity here. I'm expecting it to first go up and then to return back again. So this move on the 5 minutes, wanna see that clean move to the upside. If this move on the 5 minutes on GBP/JPY straight going to hit that level 191 level, okay, that where we might find another entry on gold for this drop. We'll be waiting on that. Thank you. Check GBPUSD, absolutely. USD, I can see a short sell for gold. Yeah, absolutely, we'll be looking at that. So we see that GBP/JPY, we are waiting for an entry, while we can see that on gold, it's now, you can see there is a breakdown here, and that breakdown, it's a completely against the trend. And because it has broken down against the trend, waiting for this price to come back below and then to return back to the upside. We might see again is going back up here. So depending on how the price action is forming, we can look for entry. So here gold is, after this drop, it's coming for a retest, and I would like to see also what's happening with the GBP/JPY. Also with the dollar yen, so quite a few pairs currently showing a good movement in the market. Okay, so gold, here you can see after retesting this level, gold has formed a doji. If you look at the 30 minutes, so if we look at the 15 minutes on gold, what it is trying to do here is triggering that liquidity in that area. If you look at that, this is the previous 15 minutes candles high. Okay, I will be selling short gold from this level. Stop loss will be above this high, a bit bigger stop loss. TP target will be here around 1.9, reward to risk, and this is where I will be selling gold. Selling gold from stop loss 2192.11, and also I'll be explaining later why I'm selling short. Instant stop loss at 2192.118. So I have open short position on gold, and my entry at here in this zone in the by the market, and stop loss at, I put a stop loss at 2192.11, and I put TP target at 2179.45. So to readjust the TP, 2179.45. So basically I have sold gold here and expecting it to have another drop. Currently the trade that I have opened in running a little profit, expecting gold to have a rejection here, as what we have seen that from the 15 minutes there is a long wick here, and there is a strong breakdown, and expecting for the price to drop here. Guys, are you ready? Make sure that you are not doubling up the risk, and make sure you smash the like button and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification. Don't double up the risk. Make sure that you always do the risk management. This is the key to be profitable as a trader. It might move up or it might drop further, so let's see how the market is evolving in that area. What I think that because there is a big drop, expecting another wave of drop here, and if it does, then we are on that. So there is a long wick here, there is a liquidity gap in that area, so waiting for this price. If we look at the 30 minutes here, there is a long wick candle on the 30 minutes. Now from the 1 hour, so there is a 1 hour and the 4 hour. Come on. So here is, this is going to fill the imbalance or it's dropping further. So from the 15 minutes, expected to return in that direction. So there is a 30 minutes candle closed with a long wick candle, and if we look at the 30 minutes price action, there is a long wick, expecting it to for the price to come down to fill that long wick so we can take the profit. Okay, so let's keep eye. If this 5 minutes candle not being able to break the high, should be able to see some downside momentum here. So we see that on euro dollar also the market is bearish. Okay, here is your guys. Thank you very much for joining the live session. Can you go long on gold now? No, I'm short on gold at the moment, so let's see. I think that we could see one more downside will give us that profit, but if I look at the lower time frame here. Okay, this market is from the 30 minutes. There is a doji. Okay, so there is a long wick, expecting it to come down to fill that long wick, and that's where we can take the profit. Okay, so if you look at the past, you can see that when the market has formed this kind of pattern, it dropped back here. So we saw the same kind of pattern here, expecting to drop back again to that support level. Okay, so the 5 minutes price action here. Alright guys, so let me know how are you doing. Running a little in profit. It's on the way to break down here, and yeah, so let's see. 15 minutes is getting rejection here, and at the same time, as you know that this is the strategy that I'm trading. We see some profit running in the account, good profit running. Yesterday also you had a massive trade on gold, as you have seen that, guys and girls, and also on Gbpusd. So this is based on our liquidity trading strategy. Now if you are not sure about the liquidity, then don't worry, stick to the channel. This is what I'm doing day in day out, trying to teach everyone who is coming in contact in this academy to learn to find out the liquidity, because liquidity is the strategy that the smart money use. The market moves from liquidity to liquidity. So this is where the most important part of trading is to understand the 3 most important secrets in the market. So these are the market structure, liquidity, and price action. So if you are passionate about learning how this strategy is working and how we are trading in the market, then don't miss out, stay tuned. And also you can explore more by signing up with us. So if you look at our website, you can find a link below this video in the description. I can give you the link in the live chat. So once you are on the website, I would recommend you to right now to join to progress in your trading journey, guys. This is, I know that you can do it alone. I tried alone. I could do it as well when I begin my trading, but just to see that actually I was making silly mistakes, that cost me a lot. Joining a program definitely is not a big deal, but making a silly mistakes and losing the capital is definitely not wise. So when I begin my trading, I didn't understand a lot of things that made me losing money. I thought that I can do it alone, but without joining community, and just to see that actually I was losing continuous money until I realized where I am making those mistakes. So if you're on the website, click join now button, where once you join the website, once you join the academy, where you can get access to the VIP Telegram channel, where I share all my trade with entry, stop loss, and take profit, so that you and also explain the strategy. That's how you can learn in practical why the trade was taken and what is the strategy behind it. When you can combine both of them together, you become what you are dreaming for, a profitable trader. And that's the main goal here for me, is to help every trader in this planet, to help them to grow as a trader, right? So this is our mission here, is to help to learn and earn at the same time. So if you haven't joined yet, I would recommend you to do so. It's worth doing. We have few spots left to join, because I take only few numbers every month, so that I can guide them in their profitable journey. So if you are not there yet, you can consider there is a link below this video I have given. So now let's see what I have looked at in this trade on gold, and expecting this market to return back to this support level here. So we are running some profit, but at the same time, let me see that how far we can expect for this price to down. And you can see this is the 30 minutes price action. There is a long wick at the bottom, and the price basically now what we see that is filling that long wick, and I'm expecting to drop further in that direction so that it can give us that full profit. We all are running this trade, including myself, and also as an added bonus of joining us in this academy, also our VIP members who are in this academy can copy my trade directly. So if you are on the academy, also you can based on your situation, you can copy my trades directly from my account. So if you are our VIP member, you can let me know. For a few members, I have that option available so that they can learn and grow as a trader, because when they will see how I'm trading, also as a member, you can also understand that what strategy I implemented, how I'm managing the trade. This is how you can practically learn and grow as a trader, because there must, there has to be a mentor in everything, right? If you want to learn music, soccer, or fighting, wrestling, anything you want to learn, you need a mentor, which is the universal game. So make sure you do that, take that advantage. Link below this video in the description area. Thank you. Can you go down? So you are bought on gold, and I want to see that it's basically moving back down here, and that's where we can take some profit. Let me see how far it has dropped. So you can see that the bias that I want to see, that it's bearish. So the 5 minutes here, there is a long wick, and one more drop here will give us that profit that we are expecting. Expecting it to drop below this level. Okay, so we see that we are running some profit here. So you see that breakdown in initial, and expecting it to drop in that direction, as there is a doji, the green candle. So you're running profit. Let me know how is your status of your trade. Coach, it looks like a forced entry on gold. We are on that. Let's drop. Thank you. So is it the right time to buy gold or gold? Nice drop. Took some profit on gold. Is still running. Yeah. Yes. Nice drop. Yeah, that's what I'm expecting. A bit more downside so that we can secure some profit here, like we did on yesterday as well. And let's see now, this current candle from the 30 minutes. From the 30 minutes, there is a, you see there is a long wick, and expecting it to come down to fill that long wick, and then if the price breaking below that level, there is a support. The market is in a very narrow range on gold from the higher time frame perspective, in a narrow range. So what I'm expecting here on the 5 minutes, you can see forming a red candle on the 5 minutes, waiting for the price to have another breakdown. So the buyers are not very strong, but it's trying to form a bullish price action, but not very strong. So here is so you see that 15 minutes candle closed here. Expected that breakdown, but let's see what's the price is planning for. Here at entry, so if that 30 minutes is not being able to close as a very strong bull candle, still we can expect for this price to come down here. So the right time to buy. Okay, see that. No, thank you very much. Welcome guys, hope that you are enjoying this live session. If you're enjoying, I would appreciate if you give a thumbs up, smash it, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing out any of the content that I'm posting every single day. Okay, here is waiting for the price to break in that direction. Guys, are you ready for taking some profit here? Okay, we see that downside coming up. And yeah, this 5 minutes candle is crucial because I want to see that the market is being able to break that structure to create a new lower low here. So there's a potential bearish structure in that area. And how do you in fact know what is GJ going, please? Okay, so GJ, while we are running gold, let's look at the GJ. Okay, GJ here if we look at the daily, Gbpusd from the daily has a complete breakdown, and because it has broken that far, high chance that GJ will try to retest the daily 20 EMA. So far this is a very long bearish move, and yeah, so at this point I'm expecting Gbpusd to break the high and then to return back again, because you see that there is a big drop here, and now this pullback will give another opportunity to sell, because GJ, I think that ultimately we could see that it's dropping down to the daily 20 EMA. So we'll be waiting on that one as well. In the meantime, let me see what's happening with the gold. Okay, so here it formed doji. So what kind of price action it is trying to form here? So gold, what we can see, okay, so the bulls are trying to create a pattern, but I think that not getting enough strength. Instead, if we see quite a few long wick candles here, expecting a drop in that direction on gold. So this 5 minutes candle after the previous one's doji, if we see another one red, I can expect for the candle to form in that direction. So we need to keep eye on that, what the market is doing. I'll give a shout out if I'm taking any profit or anything, doing anything. Okay, so you see that here the market forming a couple of dojis in that area on gold. GJ, I would like to see first going up, and then we can look for any kind of entry, then we can look for it. So here gold is getting rejection. That's what we need, a bit more stronger rejection from the top. At the moment gold is very volatile, there is a candle close coming 4 hour. So look at the 4 hour candle. which is basically a long wick candle, and expecting for gold to return to the downside. Okay, so there's a 4-hour kind of close coming, and if the market managed to break this structure in that direction, we might be able to take partial profit like yesterday and then move the stop loss. First of all, how we'll be managing depending on how the market is doing. If we see a very strong breakdown, we'll wait for the price to hit the full TP. So there's a 4-hour candle close coming in just another few minutes. So this is structure on gold is 5 minutes forming. It's a very fragile structure, and I don't think that it will be able to break to the upside, but let's keep holding for a downside drop. GG, I think, coach, are you holding the trade? Yes, I'm holding the trade. TP I have set at 2179. Let's see where we can take it. Where can I put take profit? So take profit I have set at 2179.45, but we might even need to close earlier if we see the different kind of market structure. But at the moment we set I have set TP at 2179.45. So basically, if we look at the 15 minutes on gold, there's a big drop, narrow consolidation, expecting to break down again in that direction. So a drop, pullback, a drop. That's the rule of thumb. But let's find out that in fact, in practical, if it is not grabbing further liquidity from the top, then we should be able to see that downside on here. And if we look at the 30 minutes, okay, here what I'm expecting. So it's not being able to break the high, so downside possible. Guys, are you running with me? So we are running a profit on gold. Okay, we'll enter once there is a reaction. Yeah, we see that there is a reaction. Okay, so the bearish candle has formed here, and 4-hour candle closed. Okay, so there is a 4-hour candle closed, expecting to remain bearish. Okay, earning good profit. Are you guys with me? So gold trade running in good profit, and I would appreciate your support, guys. If you are enjoying this channel, learning and growing, and every day we are winning. If you are winning with us, make sure you don't miss out subscribing to the channel, and don't miss out to learn our strategy. If you want to be uh, an independent trader, this is where you will be learning and growing as a trader. So today we have few spots left to join us to be part of our Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Link below this video in the description. Once you are on the website, click join now button. You will be able to join, where you can learn and grow as a trader together with me. There is the real trading, as you can see, winning. Yep, yesterday 2 wins back to back in this live session. Today another win. Let's keep winning every single day. This is the winning strategy. This is the winning academy, where you become a winning trader when you understand how trading works. And to understand, you need to have a strategy. You need to have the right trading mindset. Now at the moment, I see that I am running good profit in this trade, running more than 30p profit. I'm taking the profit out because it's a bit volatile market. So I am closing profit. So I have closed profit on gold. I have closed profit on gold. We'll be entering again. Okay, so closed profit on gold. I have closed profit on gold. All right, so now let's find out another one. High probability. Probability is the key here. Around 30 pip that we have gained. So we want to keep that winning streak on by keeping a high probability winning. So let me display overlay. Okay. Trading results. Gold, we have won around 30 pip. It may keep pushing down, but I've taken. Let's find out another one, and then we'll be winning, and we'll be taking another one. Okay, so I've secured 30 pip on gold. Let me figure out that what is the next opportunity. We will be looking at also other instrument as well. Let me know, guys, what you have done with yours. And then I will be looking at also Gbpusd. Okay, guys, did you subscribe to the channel? If you haven't done yet, I would recommend you to do now. And now let's look at what's happening with other instrument. Gold, we have secured around 30 pip. It might drop a bit more downside. Okay, so here is the break of support level here. Yep, okay, yes, again another took some good profit. Welcome. That was a good one. Yeah, awesome trade. Thanks. No problem, Rude. Yeah, absolutely. You know, guys, here I told you that, see, this trade that you are seeing every day trading on live is just a tip of iceberg. So once you know how to trade, you can make it every single day. And that's why I choose trading among all of them. I tried many other methods when I begin my trading journey 2013 2014. I was desperately waiting to find a way to generate the additional income, because I was struggling from my day job. I didn't like my job, and it was horrible. 12 hours working, working for time actually doesn't work. uh, they said that if you don't follow your dream, then you will end up other people's dream, and this is what I was doing. I was following other people's dream, and every single day, going to the work and not being happy. And then um, I started trading, just losing and losing and losing, and until I realized that actually what I'm doing is not in the right direction. So that's where, when I became profitable trader, even I didn't start anything. I didn't start live trading. I didn't start the academy. But when I became profitable trader, I saw that this is the easiest thing one can ever do, trading. No need, no need shop, no need website, nothing. Just a simple PC or laptop or mobile phone, and a little bit of investment. The main thing here in trading is that it's all about skill. Okay, so a skill set, and then checking the greed. Okay, check your greed and fear in control. Once you can check your greed and fear in control, everything is yours. Okay, so everything is yours. So the only thing that you need to focus on becoming a trader who has the right mindset. Okay, so this is the only thing that you need to be a profitable trader. I had a diverse, sometimes I share my journey with all of you guys, because it's what I love doing it. I had a diverse experience on learning from different kind of mentors who had an extensive experience in trading in the institutional setup. And that's why you see that all the education that I give here in Forex Trading Wizard Academy is very different. You may not find anywhere, because the right trading education you may not find anywhere, in fact. So make sure you understand liquidity. You see that I don't give any complex strategy. For those who join our previous VIP Zoom class, you know that how we look at the liquidity. Okay, so you just need to find a simple setup. Simplicity is the best. You see that all the professional trader that trade with simple strategy. All right, so if your strategy have a bunch of rules, a lot of complex factors, complex confluences, then probably you are not trading based on simple strategy. Okay, so make sure you keep your strategy simple, rule based, so that you can defy when the market is giving, when the market is not giving. Okay, so this is what you need. And if you are our member, then you can find all the strategy on your student dashboard. Once you join, you should have received a website link, website login detail, along with the Telegram channel link. So I saw that day many of the members have joined. Guys, if you have joined yet, make sure that you join the VIP Telegram channel, where I post all my trade, and also log into the website where you can find all the courses, and also follow along the daily commentary that I'm giving on the trades that will absolutely change the way you look at the market. So we see that gold, we have secured here profit. Let me see what else we have in other market, and let me know, guys, what you are looking at. Let's keep eye still. If we have another opportunity, why shouldn't we enter? And it might keep pushing down here. I think that we might see it's dropping below any of this level. Thank you very much. Good profit. Thank you. Can you please explain what all factors you considered before taking gold trade? Yes. So all the factors that I have considered in this gold trade consists of three secrets of the market. Okay, according to Nikola Tesla, scientist of all time, said that if you want to know the secret of this universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. In fact, it is. If you want to know the secret of the universe, you need to know these three secrets, because in fact everything is energy, isn't it? So if you go to the subatomic level, then you find everything is energy. Okay, so go to the quantum field, everything is energy, and that energy has a certain kind of frequency, right? If you look at the energy spectrum, it has a certain kind of frequency, and that vibrates in a certain rate. So if you look at the ice, you can see that ice is just the water, right? Just different in the molecular vibration. That's why ice turned into water when you put heat on it. So in the market, there are three secrets: the market structure, liquidity, and price action. So what we have entered here in this market is, we have, because I entered on the 5-minute chart, so the 5 minutes price action on this market is, you can see it's a big drop here. So the price action is bearish, pull back to the upside, okay, to this resistance level, and now we have seen that another preparation for a drop. Now the market structure in this here is bearish price action. If you look at the 15 minutes, you can see there was a long wick candle. It has got a rejection from the top, and we have taken that advantage when the market was dropping. So liquidity, we have seen price action and market structure combined together has given us this trade. More in-depth understanding of the strategy, that a strategy is not a one-day job. Definitely you need to look at multiple days. So make sure you join all the classes on the Zoom that I am taking, not a long one, but if you miss, you can also find the recorded section on the channel. Hello sir, any thought if dollar yen will be bullish at 5 minutes? So you want to see dollar yen bullish, or you wanna trade dollar yen? Let me see. Where's dollar yen? Very interesting. Can't see even that. See Aussie yen. So yen pairs are very bearish. Dollar yen. So there is an intraday 4-hour big drop on dollar yen. If we look at the daily, this is the daily price action on dollar yen, and so there is a big drop on dollar yen. Now this drop can be catalyst for further movement to the upside, but at the moment I would like to see how the market is doing. It might keep pushing high here, so you could see dollar yen might do, or dollar yen might just drop back again to the downside, depending on how the price is doing. So the price, after reaching that resistance, there is a drop, but it might just keep moving up again, because it's a long-term bullish market. Whether you guys can hear me now. Okay. Okay, now here what we can see on gold. There's a doji has formed on the 15 minutes and lower time frame. So looking at also the euro dollar, what we can see euro dollar from the intraday, there is a long bearish engulfer on euro dollar. This is a massive bearish engulfer, and that bearish engulfer might lead euro dollar to drop further. If we look at the daily chart, what we can see that from the daily, that euro dollar has got after today's bounce, the price has broken in that direction. So what we can see on euro dollar here, this is a long bearish move, and so euro dollar also has got a big drop after this manipulation. The market basically prepare for bigger trend. There's a 4-hour bearish engulfer with a liquidity gap, and euro dollar might remain bearish because there was already a bearish trend. Are we still holding gold? Or do you think we can reverse to the upside WTI? So WTI, let me see what's happening with the WTI. Okay, if we look at WTI, what we can see, looking at the monthly chart on WTI, we can see that from the monthly, this is a monthly bullish candle on WTI. If we look at the weekly chart, we can see that there's a bullish engulfer followed by a doji on the weekly on WTI. And if we look at the daily chart, what you can see that from the daily, this is a daily bullish candle followed by a narrow gap here on WTI. And we look at the intraday time frame here on WTI, there is a big drop to this support level, and expecting WTI, I think that we might see the price, because it grabbed that liquidity from the support, we might see again moving back to the upside on WTI. So WTI for me is we could see slowly turning to potentially a bull market, but at the same time there's a big drop. So at the moment we don't have any entry, but once we find any suitable entry, I will be looking to enter WTI as well. Going back to the gold here to see what's happening. Okay guys, I hope that guys you're enjoying this live session. I would appreciate your support if you give a thumbs up, if you smash it, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. I see that the likes and view are not very proportional, so I will be pausing for 2 seconds to see everyone to give a thumbs up. Awesome, thank you for the support. And now let's see, because there is a 4-hour close, I will be reviewing. So let me delete these, all of them, to see. Now here is a long wick at the top on gold, so it retested, and just to see what's happening. Okay, we'll keep gold here, and let me see that on GBP JPY we might find another entry opportunity on GJ. Now here is Gbpusd. If we look at what we can see, that from the 1 hour and lower time frame, there is a very sharp breakdown on Gbpusd, and with this huge breakdown, this is a massive breakdown on GJ, and with this breakdown there is a narrower doji here, narrower candle, and with this narrow candle, okay, what we can see that this is a narrow doji on the 1 hour chart. If we delete all of them, we can see that with this breakdown there is a narrow doji, expecting GJ to drop down below this level here. And if we look at the 15 minutes and lower time frame, so looking at the 1 hour chart, four hour, there's a long bearish price action here, and this is a support turning resistance on GJ. So if we look at the 4 hour price action on here on GJ, you can see there is a long consolidation pattern and huge red breakdown. This is a support level which is turning resistance here. Now at this point, because there is a consolidation pattern, huge breakdown, expecting GJ to test this support as a resistance and then to drop again. So if you look at the daily chart here, this is a daily 20 EMA, very high chance that today the price will try to break that daily 20 EMA on Gbpusd. So the potential for GJ to break down is high. Now if we look at the 1 hour and lower time frame, we'll be waiting for the price to break any of this high, and then we'll be jumping on the trade. So let's see, wherever you will see the price will give us that strong liquidity trigger, we can look for entry. How can you want put the watermark on the chart? It's very simple. You go to the settings and then just check this box watermark, and then you can change the opacity if you want to see something like that or like that, depending on how you want to see. Hope that makes sense. Very simple. Hello Forex Wizard, I enjoy your analysis as it has really improved my trading outcome. Guru, I'm still not able to join VIP group. I clicked on the link but it hasn't worked for me. Why it didn't haven't worked for you? It should be. Let me tell you the website. Instead of a link, you can directly visit the website. So you can write, if the link is not going, you can visit this website directly on your browser, www.forextradingwizard.com. so Forex trading wizard, WIZARD or WIZARD.com. so www.forextradingwizard.com. Once you are on the website, you can click join now button. I hope that few spots is still left, so make sure you join earlier before it is ending. So you can click join now, and then once you click join now, you will be taken to the page where you can go to the checkout and place the entry. And then there is a live chat option available. Any question, don't hesitate to ask the live agent. Isa is there always to help you if you have any question. And I would say that this is the best decision you'll ever make, because when you are in the academy, you can access exclusive strategies, all the trading tools. You can access all the VIP content. You can have all the trade on, you can see all the trade that I am opening. You can access daily commentary. You can access the VIP chat group where all the traders in Forex Trading Wizard Academy discussing about every detail of trading. So this is an opportunity. You can take it, visit the website and then click join now. Any question, don't hesitate to ask. So let me see here on GJ what we can do now. Let me see here GBPJPY from lower time frame. We can see that this market is trending nicely. Okay, so this is a very strongly trending market. In fact, we need the trend, isn't it? Because if the market is not trending, it's not gonna work out right. So trend is very important to see that. I would like to gold is likely to go up to 2190 before dropping. Yeah, gold, gold is if we look at the bigger picture, let me zoom on this chart. What do you see that here? It's a very interesting structure it has made, and this is the 1 hour chart on gold, and you can see that it's a very predictable pattern here. Okay, so this is a predictable pattern on gold. Okay, so in that predictable pattern, okay, so this is a triangle you can see. And what I think that until tomorrow news coming up, just less than 24 hours, we might see gold is in this tip of this triangle ranging. Though it's a big range, still we can trade on 5 minutes, 15 minutes, but I think that it might remain here until that news. Okay, and with the news we might see that gold is first, we might see liquidity grab, and then we could see that trending again in the major direction. And it could do a couple of things. One thing it could do is that if you look at the daily chart, you can see the price is, you see this is smoothly the price is respecting the daily 10 EMA, right? And then there's a 20 EMA. If today's candle not being able to break that high to create a new higher high, there is a chance for gold to have an unusual breakdown, which is a probability. Now may happen, may not happen, but may drop and testing the daily 20 EMA, forming a long wick candle and then trending with the monthly close. This could be one probability, and if that's the case, then we might see the news very like that, a big drop, testing the daily 20 EMA and then trending to the upside, which is a probability to happen on gold. So at the moment, I don't think that gold will be able to break out and trend to the upside, but we might see that narrow in this tip. It's consolidating here. Let me know what's your thought on that. How do you think that gold is going to go? Okay, now so we saw on gold. Now let me see that what's happening with the GJ. Now Gbpusd has got a big drop here, and it's approaching the daily 20 MA. There's a 5 minutes liquidity candle, but I think we might see here a bit more deeper pullback, and finally we could see the market on GJ is dropping down to the daily 20 EMA. Okay, so we might see that it's hitting that level. Okay guys, so hope that you are enjoying this live session. I would appreciate your support. If you are enjoying, giving a thumbs up. How would you know if there is volatility? Okay, so from the ATR. So to know the volatility currently, or there are two things. Okay, one thing you can know from ATR, another thing you can know from the event. Okay, so when there is a news events, okay, then there could be volatility. So two things you can use it. So, and also sessions, right? So if you are trading on New York session, especially when London and New York together, that's where the volatility comes. Huge volatility in the market, the combination when they merge to one another. So depending on where you are trading. A lot of buyers. Okay, and so we'll be waiting for that on JPY. Here is, you can see this is a drop, and here is a narrow channel, which is a bearish channel. So if it is breaking in that direction, that could be an option for another drop in that direction. So let it break to the upside first, and then we can find selling opportunity on GJ for short term. Waiting on another entry. Are you guys excited for another entry? We'll let it bounce here, and yeah, there is you can see the market is now moving up here for this potential pullback, and it might be ranging in that direction. Okay, so we'll be seeing. And also I would like to know, guys, what session you trade, on New York session or on the London session. What session trader you are mostly. Let me see on US30. Do you trade only on London session, or you trade only on New York session, or you trade in all session, like both of that session? So let us know your trading style. Are you a day trader, swing trader, or a scalper? So let me see here, US30, where I can find NASDAQ US30. US30 is getting a rejection. So if you look at US30, there's a gap opening and then has got a bounce here. So If we look at the intraday time frame, London, yeah, I trade on NY session. Okay, so you trade on NY session, you trade on London session, and then cooking or where both sessions. Okay, I know I London when I can. Okay, yeah. So it's always a good idea to trade every day almost in the same time. It's very important, either London or New York, because when you trade every day in the same time, it becomes much easier for you to understand the pattern in the market. We see there is a bounce here on gold, so it becomes much easier for you to understand the pattern in the market. So in what situation the market is breaking out and how the market react with the timing, that will be helpful to you to understand if you are trading on the same time. Okay, GBPJPY, we are keeping eye on GJ. We have seen that gold has got again another bounce. So keep that here. Looking at the GJ, Let's see the JJ what it is doing. We might see here it is grabbing liquidity. This is a liquidity in the third time. So if this 5 minutes candle is not being able to close as a bullish candle, will you see that there is a drop here? So there is a bullish, the price is forming a bearish price action on GJ, and just was expecting for the price to break this 190.78, breaking this 1 hour doji will be helpful for us, would be helpful for us to see that the market in fact has come back down to this daily 20 but stay afraid to go there. So it breaks that high. Okay, so this resistance is absolutely important. So from the 1 hour perspective, this is where there is a resistance. If the price is breaking that high, we should be able to see the downside momentum on Gbpusd. While we can see gold is moving in that sideway potentially on GJ, I want to keep eye here. So it might now try to break that. So I'll be waiting on GJ to break to the upside here from the 1 hour to break out and then to return back to the daily 20 So this is the zone that I'm waiting for GJ to break and then to retest. Great, NY and London session, welcome. That's good. Mostly London, if no setup on New York. Yeah. Sometimes London too. Okay, gold is currently trade on my screen 2191. It depends, sometimes different depending on the broker. For going up, there is that buy opportunity on JJ. No, I don't think any buy opportunity on JJ because mean dollar yen. Okay, so you mean dollar yen. Okay. Dollar yen, depending on. Okay, so there is a long week here on dollar yen. There is a big drop on dollar yen. That could be a starting of a bigger move on dollar yen, but I am not entering because the price on dollar yen is on the resistance. So if you look at here, you can see this is a previous resistance. So you might see a bit more manipulation, or you might see that breakout on dollar yen. Once we find a clean breakout, then we can look for that entry opportunity. Okay, traders, so hope that you are enjoying this live session. I would appreciate your support if you give a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing out any of the content that I'm posting every single day. So with that being said, guys, it was another enjoyable session that we have done in this live, and there is a big event coming tomorrow. Definitely don't miss out. 2 lives coming tomorrow exclusively, and there is a huge giveaway will come tomorrow for all of you, so make sure you are not missing out tomorrow's live twice. There will be a lot of trading opportunity because big event coming we will be covering in this live session. So with that said, I will be ending this live session today for preparing for tomorrow, but I still be trading for some good trade coming along the way. If you are our member, also you can access those trade. If you are not, then I would recommend you to join today. We have few spots left. You can find link below this video in the description to join Forex Trading Wizard Academy to be part of the trading community. With that said, we had gained some profit on gold. Keep it in your trading account by not over trading or FOMO trading, and yeah, keep learning and growing as a trader. I'll see you there again trading live together. Until then, stay well.